Today, I received a faulty iPhone X Max motherboard from a customer. The fault is caused by the leakage of 80 mA power. Our store just bought an IIT PCB infrared fast diagnosis instrument, ShortCam. Let's try this ShortCam to diagnose the problem. To check whether it is helpful for diagnosis or not. Now, connecting the motherboard, put the PCB directly under ShortCam for detection. Let's observe the software interface of ShortCam. It's pretty straightforward to see the heating region. Observe carefully. The heating area is the USB module. Let's switch to the vision mode. It's more clearly to see the heating position is still pointing to the USB module. Now let's go ahead and do it. Remove the USB module to check if the diagnosis is correct or not. Connect the motherboard with the DC power. Actually, it's no power leakage anymore. Now power on the motherboard. Now the booting power is back to normal. The motherboard temperature returned to normal. Connect the screen to the motherboard. Connect to DC power supply. The machine can boot normally and the fault is detected in seconds.